Hello everyone! Summer is finally here. I have been thinking about how can I reduce my cooking time every day so then I can enjoy being outside in summer. And my solution is this. I'll show you how. In all the restaurants I've owned and working, we spend a lot of time prepping. We chop herbs, veggies, make sauces and marinades, prep meats and seafood, and all of this was done before service so we could churn out all the meals in lightning speed when the order comes in. So if you haven't watched The Bear, watch it and you'll know what I mean.
Now get the fuck off my expo chef now! Firing 76 beefs, 34 chickens, okay?
If we can transfer the same idea to our home kitchen, we can shorten our day-to-day cooking time significantly too. To start, select one day to do grocery shopping and prep everything. Then the first step is to prep your veggies. In our weekly meal, we should have a variety of colors and different vegetables to make sure we get all the nutrients we need. Now wash, dry, chop what you can and store them in the fridge. If you're not sure what to do with each vegetable, check out my guide in the description below. The next step, we should prepare the aromatics. Garlic, green onion, ginger. I peel my garlic. I freeze chopped green onion and sliced ginger. Step 3, have some pickles around. I always like to have some kimchi, pickled onion, pickled radish. Pickled onion and pickled radish are super simple to make. The recipes is also in the guide. Summer is great for fresh salads. So the next step is to make 2 to 3 salad dressings of your choice. I have included a few of my favorite in the guide in the description below. If they don't have any fresh lemon juice or dairy, they can last for quite a while in the fridge. Starch takes a long time, so that's our next step. We cook all the starch and freeze rice, barley, quinoa. These go really well on a daily meal and can be easily heated up in a microwave. Potatoes can be cut and soaked in cold water and they can keep in the fridge for a few days. Marinate 2 to 3 kinds of meat. You can make burger patties. You can marinate beef to roast. You can also marinate pork shoulder to bake in the oven. This seafood section is awesome for a quick summer dinner. Mackerel for grilling, tuna for poke, right? You just want to get portions of individual fish and you can steam, you can grill, defrost, and all done. As for size, have a few options like already roasted peppers, olives, dry seaweeds, dry wakame. Those are quick to cook. So when it comes to mealtime, all you need is to quickly cook and assemble. Some ideas such as nourish bowl with beef and mushroom stir fry, poke bowls with tuna and salads, some Japanese dinner with grilled mackerels, miso soup, burgers with salads, pasta salads. All these are great choices and quick to make. If you need more ideas, go to my Substack newsletter, subscribe to my bi-weekly meal plan where I share 5 days, a lunch and dinner every 2 weeks. Have a great summer. See you next time.